Austen, do you reaffirm your vow to have Cheyenne to be your wife, to live together in the covenant of marriage? Will you continue to love her, comfort her, honor and keep her, in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? And Cheyenne, do you take Austen to be your husband, to live together in the covenant of marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? I want you to remember this. The ring that's on your finger is not to be a sign to the world that you're married. Every time you look at the ring on your finger, remember that it was a gift from someone as a symbol of their vow, that they would love you, that they would cherish you. And so when those days come and you see the ring, remember, somebody is waiting for you. Somebody has pledged their life to you. The Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. Austen, please kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Austen and Cheyenne Mizner.
Here for our best man, everybody! Me and Austen met back in Idaho. Since then we've been best friends. He's one of the most caring guys I know.
When Cheyenne was alive, I texted him, she said, would you come to Wayne, would you share something? Because you were there when we met. And I was like, I was there when we met, in a program where we weren't supposed to start a new relationship.
She's got music, loving, concert, going hard. Make sure to take care of Austen. Congratulations.
I want you to know how much I love you and how proud I am of the man that you've become. You're the captains of our family team. To be a team captain, you need to be a great leader. You need to inspire those around you. You need to be the hardest worker on that team. And you, buddy, are all those things to us.
There will be days of obstacles and challenges, but tomorrow will be a new day. Keep your faith and love for each other. We all wish you much love and success in all you do. I love you. You wish the best.